Hey, what's going on, you guys? Trev Bucheri here with Body and Soul Transformations. Hope you guys are doing absolutely incredible today on this beautiful spring day, here with your weight loss tip of the week. And today I want to talk to you guys about the first step in weight loss. So every single thing that we do, every single thing that we strive for always has a step one and a first thing that must be done. And the first thing that must be done for weight loss is changing our mindset and really making a decision that it's truly not about the weight. Yes, of course, it may be 20, 30, 60, 70, 80 pounds, whatever it is, 100 pounds, but that's really only the means. So the mindset of, oh, this is gonna be such a pain in the ass, this is gonna be, so troublesome, this is gonna be so stressful, and now I have to deprive myself of this, has nothing to do with the equation, all right? It's really just a changing in the mindset of saying, hey, you know what? These are the things that need to be done in order to get what I want. Because all of us who want to lose weight perceive that we don't have something. We perceive something is missing, something is lacking, and in order to get that back, we say, hey, if I lose the weight, if only I lose this 70 or 80 pounds, then I'll be able to. That's what it's really all about. So it's about changing that mindset and getting it out of our minds that, this is not gonna be torture. Is it gonna be hard? Absolutely. But again, the greater the challenge, the greater the reward. And actually recognizing that 70, 80, 100 pounds is going to actually lead us to gaining a ton in our life. A ton in our life, and that's what this is all about. So changing that mindset from, man, this is a daunting task, to this is something that is going to enable me, is step number one to successful weight loss. Guys, hope you got a bunch out of that. Trev Bucheri here with Body and Soul Transformations. You have an outstanding, inspired rest of your day.